सौ क्यों मंदा आखिए जित जमे राजन। गुरु नानक देव जी। Of women are we born, of women conceived, two women engaged and married. Women are befriended, by women is the civilization continued. When woman dies, woman is sought for. It is by women that the entire social order is maintained. Then why call her bad? From her, kings are born. Book name Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak was the first Sikh Guru who was born in Talwanadi village near Lahore in 1466. From his childhood, he was interested in religion and, despite his sparse education, he had a deep knowledge of spirituality. Respect for women. Unlike others who considered females a hindrance to spiritual progress, Guru Nanak Dev had immense respect for women. In his own words, he said, "How come women can be called as bad? One who has given birth to big and great kings and saints founded the root problem of Hinduism." Guru Nanak found that Hinduism at that time was getting embroiled with many unwanted traditions like untouchability, numerous gods and goddesses, charity to incompetent persons that had developed its philosophy over the last many centuries. After a deep study of the problem of Hinduism, he formed a strong organization of Sikhs. The rules of the organization were so simple that anybody could follow them easily. A true patriot. Guru Nanak was fearless and he used to put his views in front of the corrupt kings and political people to realize their mistakes and reform their ways. In one of his poems, he compared the kings to the lion and said that they are so violent, and the kings are like the greedy dogs who trouble their public, and he concluded by saying that on doomsday God will do proper justice. Unlike other saints who preached worship, after seeing the miserable condition of society, he insisted that the kings do their duty first and stop wasting their time in useless activities. Practical spirituality preached by Guru Nanak. Instead of doing worship at different places, he promoted collective worship where people from all castes participated. This ensured that there was no chance of the priest getting away with all riches and donations. In order to remove inequality, he started the practice of eating together where all can eat, whether rich or poor, whether they belong to Brahmin or any other caste, could eat together. Few excerpts from the book. Guru Nanak believed that goddess is inherent in every human being, but it is hidden as it does not get a conducive environment. A true saint's duty lies in making individuals realize their true worth. नानक जी मानते थे कि भलाई, सज्जनता आदि का गुण मनुष्य में स्वभावतः होता है, पर वह अनुकूल स्थिति न पाने के कारण छिपा रहता है। सच्चे संतों, सद्गुरु का कर्तव्य है कि वह इस भलाई के तत्व से मनुष्य को परिचित कराए और उसके बढ़ाने में मदद करे। Once during the festival, everybody was about to eat. People said, "Please start eating." Guru Nanak, after seeing all sides, said, "Where are the chefs?" When the chefs came, Guru Nanak didn't start eating food and, after seeing the cleaners from a distance, said, "Please call them as well." एक बार किसी उत्सव के उपलक्ष्य में भोज था। जब सब संगत में उपस्थित जनों की पंगत बैठ गई और भोजन परोसा गया, तो शिष्यों ने कहा, "महाराज, आरंभ कीजिए।" गुरुजी ने चारों तरफ दृष्टि घुमाई और बोले, "अभी नहीं, रोटी बनाने वाले तो आए ही नहीं।" जब वे आ गए तब भी गुरुजी ने खाना शुरू नहीं किया और आंगन में झाड़ू देने वाले को दूर खड़े देखकर कहा, उन्हें भी तो बुलाओ। According to Guru Nanak, however much one prays or meditates, but if one doesn't help the needy, it is all useless. चाहे कोई पूजा पाठ, जप तप, योग आदि कितना भी करे, पर नानक जी की दृष्टि में यदि वह लोगों का उपकार, पतितों की सेवा नहीं करता है तो वह सब महत्वहीन है।